Well, good morning. It's great to see you and welcome back to the shop. You're just in time to join me for a major decluttering project that is going to involve getting rid of several decades worth of stuff I've collected over the years. So come on, let me show you what we're talking about. As you can see, stuff has started to accumulate out here because I can't fit it inside my shed anymore. I've got too much stuff in there and not enough room to put the rest of this stuff in, and it's really starting to become a mess. So we're going to get inside and really start digging into this and cleaning out probably what amounts to a couple of decades worth of collected odds and ends and tools and kids' toys and other memories. So let's get to it. Let's take a look and see what's inside here. Oh man, yeah, lots of stuff. Now, as you can see, it definitely needs to be organized, but before we can organize it, I think we got to empty it out, clean it out, get rid of probably a few mice nests and some other things, and then, you know, separate the stuff out that I want to keep versus the stuff that I don't use anymore, am not going to use anymore, and needs to go on the curb. So we're going to make some tough choices today, and stick around and join me on this. The plan is to just get rid of stuff. Probably could use that. See, that's the problem. I'm going to go, yeah, I could still use that. But I think the question I'm going to ask myself with everything in here is, when was the last time I used this? And when is the next time I think I might use it? And if I can't answer either one of those questions, it's going to go. Everything else we'll talk about. But those two questions have to be answered in the affirmative before I decide I'm going to keep it. I can't even remember what I got this for. I'm sure that I could use it at some point. I just don't know when. So it's going to go. This is something I got for my kids 15 or 20 years ago. And again, can't remember the last time we used it. Don't know when the next time is we will use it. So might be an interesting project to see if I could fix, but I don't know that it's worth it. Yeah, see, this is what I'm talking about. Really. Why do I keep that? I've got some snow shovels here that I might just get some new snow shovels. Who needs those? You might notice that this and that look oddly familiar, as does that and that. That's because I've got two of these machines. One of them works and one of them doesn't. So the one that doesn't work, I kept around for parts that I was going to use someday. And all it's really done is take up space. So those parts got to go. That has seen better days. So that's going to the garbage. Well, there's the case for my chainsaw. Maybe I should put that away. Yeah, that might be a good idea. This is all the pieces parts to that parts chipper that I had. I was going to keep that because that's good. But like I said, I can't think of the next time I'm going to use it. Now, probably a week after I throw this out, my other one will go bad and I'll need it, but that's just the breaks. I'm not keeping it around anymore. Oh, I can keep that. I've been looking for that. Looks like I got a mouse in the house there. All right, I'm going to need these nuts for something. I can't just throw away good nuts. I mean, and honestly, they're not going to take up that much space. So really, why not keep them? Because a week from now, a month from now, a year from now, I'll need some of those. And I'll have to go up to the hardware store and buy some if I don't have some. Fishing poles. When was the last time I went fishing? I could give those to Buzz over at Buzz's retirement garage. He likes to fish. What the heck? More fishing poles? 3 more fishing poles. Wait a minute. I got 2 more fishing poles up here. At some point, I don't remember ever liking fishing that much. But got a lure there. Well, it doesn't go with the rest of them. There you go, Buzz. It's waiting for you. They'll be on the curb next Tuesday. If you guys never checked his channel out, check it out. Buzz's Retirement Garage. There's a guy enjoying retirement, and he's got a lot of wisdom to share about that journey. Check his channel out. Just a shout out to you, Buzz. Another mouse in the house. Paint cans, paint stuff. What's this? Accessories for my generator that I bought 20 years ago. Obviously never used that. What do we have here? This is some steel cable I picked up off the curb years ago that I thought, you know, I probably could find a use for that, but nope, haven't found a use for it yet. Don't know that I'm ever going to find a use for it. So it doesn't meet either one of those criteria. Out to the garbage it goes. Some flooring I bought for a house that I lived at 25 years ago. So don't need it here. Somebody probably could use it, but it's not going to be me, so out to the garbage it goes. Okay, well, we're getting there. Let's get a broom and start sweeping this out. We don't need a broom, we need a shovel. All right, let's see what we got here. That's not too bad. I got a bunch of dirt and dust up here. If I only had an industrial shop vac. Oh, wait a minute. Well, okay, there's an echo in here. We got that emptied out. Got a bunch of stuff ready to go out to the curb. Let's see if we can't fill this back up in some semi-organized fashion. All right, there we have it. We've got both lawnmowers in here. We've got a snowblower. We've got my rototiller and my fertilizer spreader, as well as my leaf mulcher and small branch mulcher. So we've got everything in here that we need. We still have some space. I put these solar panels in here rather than leaving them outside. I don't have really any definite plans for those right now, but I think we will soon, coming up on the channel. And I've got my sidewalk edger there. Couple of weed whackers over there, and then just hand tools here, and you know, a couple of the long saw and the long power wash wand up there, and then various different fencings up here, plus some stakes, and then just a couple of things hung in the back. Now, a couple of things are going to come out of here for the winter. Certainly the snowblower is going to come out. I'm going to have to rearrange these lawnmowers. They can go in the back. They're not going to be used in the wintertime. And then some porch furniture is going to go in here, which is one of the important reasons why I had to clean this out, because I've got some front porch wicker furniture that, you know, I left out last year, and they were pretty worse for wear at the end of the year. I don't want to do that again, so I want to put them and protect them inside here. So we'll put those in the back, and then put some of these other tools here in the front. We'll rearrange it. But right now, I'm pretty happy with that, and we got rid of a bunch of stuff. Let's go take a look at what we got rid of. So all of this stuff, minus that hose caddy, is stuff that came out of the shed that we're going to get rid of. I'm going to keep that. That's just part of. But I got it over here on the side of the house. I'll take it over to the curb. Today is Friday, and so I don't want to leave this out all all weekend for the neighbors to stare at. I'll take this out on Monday night and put it on the curb, and they can haul it away. You know, around here in this community, they do a bulk trash pickup every week. So you put it out there, they take it away. So again, Buzz, this is your last chance. Shout out to Buzz at Buzz's Retirement Garage. If you want those fishing poles, they'll be out on the curb on Tuesday. Maybe I'll even do a short on taking that stuff out to the curb. And then we'll see what somebody takes overnight. A lot of times, you know, you get folks like Taco from Taco Stacks. Shout out to Taco Stacks. You know, picking up stuff like this metal stuff here. I think he's a scrapper. He'll take that and turn that metal in and get a few bucks for it. I'm not in for that, but you know, good for him for doing that. So come get it, brother. So we'll see you on Tuesday when we take this out to the curb. In the meantime, thanks for stopping by, spending time. Hope you found it interesting. You know, give us a like, leave us a comment. We would love it if you would subscribe. That really helps the channel. And we will see you in the next one.